Hello South Africa. Power supply, short-term pain for long-term gain, says Electricity Minister. In a recent statement, Electricity Minister Kgosientsho Ramokgopa recognized the tough road ahead for South Africa's power supply. He stressed that although planned maintenance would cause more frequent power outages in the near future, it was crucial for the long-term reliability of the country's electrical system. Amidst ongoing Stage 6 power cuts expected to continue all week, the minister firmly stated that there were no quick solutions to halt load shedding, according to Daily Maverick. He made the statement while briefing the media following Eskom's escalation of power cuts due to recent pressure on the national grid. Ramokgopa explained that Eskom had embarked on an increased schedule of planned maintenance to enhance the grid's resilience. With an increase in planned maintenance over the coming months, intense load shedding will be at short-term pain, but there will be long-term gain, says Ramokgopa. During the winter, demand for electricity had surged, leading to a decrease in planned maintenance and subsequently weakening generating capacity. He admitted that neglecting planned maintenance over the years had contributed to this situation. He declared, "We are committed to planned maintenance and adhering to maintenance philosophy, even if it means temporary, intensified load shedding. We cannot ignore the consequences of compromised maintenance investment." Ramokgopa signaled that Eskom's financial situation suffered greatly, but an injection of funds from the National Treasury offered financial maneuverability. This extra funding enabled Eskom to allocate significant resources toward maintenance efforts. "We pay cash for videos." WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.